Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Ether reserves across centralized exchanges hit an almost 9-year low, reinforcing investor optimism for a potential market bottom that may start a recovery toward the $3,000 psychological mark. The US dollar advanced against major currencies, with losses led by the euro, garnering safe haven bids amid tariff concerns and peace negotiations on the Russia-Ukraine conflict that are fraught with tension and miscommunication. Gold prices rose over 1% as concerns over economic growth due to uncertainty surrounding US President Donald Trump's tariff plans prompted safe haven flows into bullion. The market's focus has now shifted to the US Federal Reserve's January meeting minutes for clues into the central bank's interest rate trajectory.
The sterling dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The Williams indicator is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The CCI is in overbought territory. The dollar yen pair edged higher in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal.
In the days ahead, the economic calendar will include essential updates and key data releases. These high-impact events are expected to influence market behaviour and could lead to significant price movements. Understanding the importance of these releases is key for strategic planning. Whether outcomes meet, miss or exceed expectations, the market could respond in kind.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.